Hi, this is Amy Shannon from Amy's Bookshelf Reviews, and I am going to do a how-to video on how to order author copies. I'm going to use in the same video how to order author copies from KDP and also how to order copies from Ingram Sparks. So I'm going to show you KDP first. And if you're doing the publishing process, there is a point when you are publishing a book, say print, where you can request a proof copy. And that is at the end of the pricing section and before you hit publish. And that will give you will get a paperback book or a hardcover book, and it will have a line across it that says proof copy only. So you can get an idea of what your print book is going to look like. If you had gone into creating a print book and in KDP and you have to go through the Kindle print previewer. So you could go through each page and it will show you exactly what the book will look like. Um, and so it's comparable for that. Once you have already published the book, you can order it through your regular Amazon.com, and then your payment will be what everybody else pays, and you will get a royalty for that amount. However, if you have some books and you want to buy several, and say you're having a book event or a book signing or whatever, you might want to just order what they call author copies, so they don't have that proof thing on it, and you will get it at the cost it costs to print it. So I'm going to show you how to do both in this video on Amazon and on Ingram Sparks, how to publish your book or order your book once it's been published. Okay, so I'm just going to share here. Now, I'm I don't have a lot of books on KDP for print, so I'm going to find one that I have. Oh, here's one right here. And it's fairly simple. If your print book is available, it's live, it's not like in a pending status, it will show order author copies. So then you would click on that. And of course, you'd have to log in to KDP to do that. You could put in, say, the number of books you want, like it says, up to 999. And then you select the marketplace. So this depends on where you live. And then you would hit add to cart. So what this does is it adds my print book, and I'm waiting for the cover to be updated. So I'm not going to buy this right now, but it goes right into whatever I have in my cart. So I'm just going to delete that from here. But that's pretty simple. If you have an Amazon account and it's linked to your KDP account, that's where you would go to order your print book. So now we're at Ingram Sparks, and I've logged in. I'm going to go to the home page. So once you've gone through the homepage, you can see where different things here, like how to promote your book, help you create a website if you don't have one. Here's some quick links. So now we're going to go to place an order. Now you can only place an order from the book list of books that are title available. It has to have that status. So, and this kind of can be a little just kind of a little thing, um, a little clunky in certain ways, but other ways it's fine. So say I wanted to order this book and this book. So I would hit add to order and confirm. And now what I have to do is my address should already be in here. So I'm going to use the default shipping address. The recipient address is your address as well. So once that gets there, and I go to return address, and I can use default address, same thing, print, and then make sure everything is correct. Like I only want these 2 books. Make sure your address is correct and print location, and then you would continue. And this tells you several things. Now, it tells you how much it's going to cost for the quantity you put in. So if you wanted more than one, like say here, I'll just put 5 just for the heck of it. It'll show you what it will cost. And the reason why it says override on sale date is because these books are scheduled to be published on March 1st. And I'm ordering them before March 1st. So that's why it says that way. But it also tells you, say you wanted a bulk shipment, and say you wanted 100. So this shows you that each book in there would, each carton shows that it would be 86 books. So you would end up having the other 14 in a delivered in a different box. Then you actually you can delete it, you can check it, and then you go to here. I had to update my pricing because I updated my quantity, and then it came down, and then you can decide how you want it shipped to you. And then you would pay that cost. And the next thing, I'm not going to order these, but all I would do is go to payment, and that's when I would enter my payment, or it would use the payment I have on hand. So that is how you would order a book off of Ingram Sparks. And there is one thing that is pretty cool that they have now is that if you want to, they have e-commerce where you can create a purchase link for each book, and then you can print it out as a QR code. You can embed it on your website so people can go right to your website, and then they could click it, and then I'll show you. I think I have one for one of my books. So if I go to my website and let's see, go to the series, I have a book here, I think. Yes, I have a book where you can, this book, if you click on it, this is embedded HTML, has the cover, and then you can click buy now, and it will actually go to Ingram Sparks, and you can add it to your cover. And actually, by clicking on that, you actually get a discount because it's normally for buyers, it's $25.99, but right, it's on sale because you bought it directly from it. So that shows you that your customers can go to your website if you have it on, and it's for individual books. And once I have that one, this other stuff will come across I will add those into it, and if directly they get a discount. So I hope that my videos have helped you, and I will be doing more videos to show you all how you can do things for yourself, or at least understand the process of doing things. And of course, if you have any information, any questions, you can always, always, always contact me. So thank you for joining me. And I hope these videos help you.